I am Cliff with HK Truck Center, New Jersey certified ultimate Hino dealer. We have two locations, one here in South Plainfield, New Jersey, with a second location in Parsippany, New Jersey. Here we have the Hino L6 conventional cab. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your cell phone or audio device to the truck's Bluetooth audio output. Okay, you're going to hit the mode power button. You're going to turn on the truck's radio. Hit that mode button again. You're going to scroll through AM, FM. So you get to BT audio, that's Bluetooth audio. You're going to select it. It's going to say no connect. You're going to hit the function button. It's going to bring you to sound. You scroll over to Bluetooth, select it. It's going to bring you to pairing. You're going to select that. Then it's going to bring you to the truck's Bluetooth audio, which is car audio and a PIN number. Finally, on your cell phone or audio device, you're going to hit settings, Bluetooth. You're going to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay. Now you see car audio. You're going to select car audio. It's going to ask to sync your contacts. Don't allow. And you're going to see Bluetooth audio connected. And it's also going to show connected on the truck's audio. There it is. And that's it.